Hello everyone, welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to join Netflix test program and try out new features early. Netflix will frequently test new designs and features with a few users before making them live for everyone else. A noticeable test before included the skip intro button. If you are in the Netflix testing program, you can get these new features weeks or months before anyone else gets them. To join the testing group, open Netflix in your web browser and hover over your profile icon in the top right corner and click Account. Under the Settings section, click Test Participation on the right side of the web page. You can enable the toggle to join the test program. Netflix will not always tell you if you're previewing a new feature, and you might not also get the same test as someone else. But you will be ahead of the game than most people. If you ever dislike a new feature or design, you can always stop participating with the program by disabling the toggle to bring back the normal Netflix experience. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.